How to set a different scaling level for each monitor. This tutorial shows you how to adjust the display size individually when using multiple monitors. First, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. After that, click on System from the left side menu. Let me show you. From there, click on Display to open the display settings. At this point, click on the monitor you want to adjust from the diagram at the top. In the next step, scroll down to the Scale section. Following this, click on the drop-down and select the scaling percentage you want for that specific monitor. Once done, click on the second monitor from the same diagram at the top. From here, repeat the same steps and select a different scaling percentage for this monitor. At this stage, some apps may look blurry until you sign out and back in, so click Sign Out Now if prompted. Keep in mind, each monitor's scaling applies independently, so text and icons may appear different sizes when moving windows between screens. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to adjust scaling for either monitor again. And that's it. If this guide helped you set a different scaling level for each monitor, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.